In the late 1980s and early 1990s, craft beer moved out of the basements and garages. It graduated from a home-based hobby into a business opportunity. In 1999, the craft beer world in the U.S. faced their first struggle. What was new and interesting had lost some luster, and lots of hopeful brewers folded their tents. For a decade, the industry treaded water. Growth had stagnated. Then, in 2020, craft beer had its real moment. Growth in both businesses as well as the number of barrels brewed. Everything skyrocketed. It went straight up. And now we're in 2024, and we're all trying to figure out what the new normal is. 2023 was the end for many. And those who have survived, and if that's you, congratulations. Those still in business deserve credit. But here's the thing. Are you holding on or are you thriving? Believe it or not, since 2010, now is the very best time to be a craft brewer. But it's also the most difficult time. That's how business works. The strong survive and get stronger, the weak bear. And the strong are not just brewing great beer, but they're doing the other things. Brewing great beer by itself is not enough. That is where I come in. I'm dedicating to help you, brewers of great beer, market their way to success. But before I dive into what I'm going to do for you, let me tell you a little bit about me and why I'm qualified to help you. My name's Trip. Over the last 2+ decades, I've worked with some of the biggest brands on the planet, helping them market their products and generate sales. I built 2 businesses from the ground up, and I recently sold my second company, and I'm dedicating this next part of my professional life to helping craft brewers succeed. I grew up in your business. I know the service business inside and out, and I know how to market a business to success. Here's what I've done. I've identified 18 key marketing elements craft brewers need to focus on and use to build the business of their dreams, and I'm going to share with you exactly how you can do it. Virtually every craft brewer is facing difficulties today. Many of these challenges are new, and I'm here to help. The advice and information I'm sharing isn't theory or hollow ideas. Over the last 25 years in building businesses, including that agency, I've produced tens of millions of dollars in sales for my clients and my own businesses. I know how to run businesses. I know how to make good succeed. So I know what I'm talking about, and the stuff I'm sharing, stuff that works is stuff that I've done. I'm using decades of experience as a business owner and marketer to help an industry that's near and dear to my heart. Craft brewers, folks like you. Let's talk about these 18 marketing concepts. I break them out into 5 categories: online, advertising paid, advertising free, on-site, and off-site market. Let's start online. The 4 key areas you need to focus on are your website, Google My Business, now called Google Business Profile, generating reviews, especially on Google, and developing a customer list. Virtually every craft brewer's website contains at least a few marketing errors that erode your profits. I'll show you how to avoid them and what a good site will do for you. And the majority of businesses have not claimed their Google Business Profile. And among those who had claimed it, 90+% of them don't take full advantage of this amazing opportunity. And I'll show you how to do just that. When it comes to a customer list, if you don't have one, you're literally losing money. Every day you don't have that customer list, you're losing money. I'll show you how to get a list and make revenue with it. The next category is paid advertising. The 3 areas a craft brewery needs to consider using paid advertising in are direct mail, local sponsorships, and Google Ads. You don't need to spend a massive amount of money online with advertising, but a small budget spent strategically will generate a fantastic return on investment. I sold a business a few months ago, as I mentioned. I built it from the ground up. Online advertising along with direct mail were my secret sauce. I used to have people drive by my competitors to do business with me, even though I charged more, and they would have gotten the exact same thing or something very similar from my competitor. That's the key in how to position your business. I'll show you exactly how to do that. Free advertising, that's the next category. And this is someplace you need to mine. There's a lot of gold here for it. You should have a robust email list of customers and use this list frequently and strategic. Your email list is the best avenue to increasing the amount of business you're receiving from your existing customers. Next is social media. It's a fantastic place for you to share your beer. And if you've got a tap room, it can let people know exactly what they'll experience when they visit. Additionally, you need to encourage and incentivize the concept of people sharing your business on social media. It's easier than you think. I'll show you how to successfully use all three of these key elements, and that will put more people into your business, more people using your products, more people enjoying your beer, and you doing better as a business person. I include your Google business profile again under free advertising because this is a powerful resource that some folks only see as a directory, but it's not just a directory, it's also a marketing tool. And both elements of this, of course, are free and will generate massive amount of attention using them the way I'll teach you how to do that. And last but certainly not least, do you have a loyalty program in your business? If not, ensure. The easiest way to increase your profits is to sell more to the people who are already enjoying what you sell. This applies to beer, hats, shirts, cars, sandwiches, paint, whatever it is, any product. Learning and being able to maximize each customer's revenue potential is critical. Yet 99% of businesses don't do this. Sure, it requires a little bit of effort, but not a lot, and the potential profits are astronomical. I will show you how to do this. On-site marketing is the most overlooked marketing element in the industry, and that's by a lot. I've never walked into a brewery, and trust me, I've walked into more than a few, and not seen lost revenue opportunities. The key elements to foster on-site include events and promotions, merch sales, outbound marketing. And this outbound marketing, that's done by your customers whenever you're open. Product marketing in your tap room, and a conscientious effort to make your tap room a third location for your best customer habitat. I will show you how to maximize on-site marketing. It costs virtually nothing. Got the situation in place. I'm going to show you how to maximize that, and that will lead to greater revenue and profit. Last but not least, offsite marketing, which focuses in on events and point of purchase marketing. So if your craft brewery is not where you want it to be, if you do these 18 things properly, your business will achieve the goals that you have. Now, here's the best part. I'm going to help you to learn and implement these 18 things properly and have the success you want. I'm sharing the exact ways you can accomplish these things. All you've got to do is jump on my mailing list. So here's the question I have for you. Are you going to continue to market your business the same way and expect different results? Or are you willing to read and implement ideas or techniques that I'm going to be sharing with the people on my mailing list? Think about it. Even if I only provide you with one good idea, one idea you can implement that will make you additional revenue, don't you think joining my free mailing list will be more than worthwhile? There's no downside to you. There's only upside. So I'm sure I'm going to see you over there on my mailing list. I look forward to meeting you and helping you achieve the dreams you have and build your business to all that it can be.